This is how to turn on light mode on your iPhone so everything's not so dark all the time. Go into the settings, go to displays and brightness. This is the main settings page. Displays and brightness is right here, or display and brightness, and then tap on light. Light mode is on. You can have this done automatically as well. So at nighttime I go to dark mode, in daytime I go to light mode, or you can have it set on a schedule so you have it go light and dark whenever you want. However, that having been set, you might notice your apps are still dark. This is because you have a customization turned on. To turn it off, just tap and hold on any app or the blank screen on your home screen and tap on Edit Home Screen. Then tap on Edit up here and then tap on Customize. And here we have dark chosen. Choose default. And now the colors will be back to what they should be. You can also tap this little sun here. You can see the background getting lighter and darker. So that might be darkening your background as well. So you can choose to select that or not. And while you're in the mood for customizing your phone, you might want to set your favorite song as a custom ringtone on your phone. This video shows you how. It's free and no computer required. So check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.